Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bully. Today I am going to show you guys how to add a sitemaps to your WooCommerce store. First off, I just want to make sure that you guys know that there are two types of sitemaps, which are XML sitemaps and HTML sitemaps. But for this tutorial, I will show you guys how to add an HTML sitemaps to your online store only. Do you know why it's important to add a sitemap to your online store? It is because it will show a clickable list of all the pages and product pages to your potential customers or your customers on your online store. This way, it will help you organize your online store better when it gets larger, and it will also provide your potential customers or your customers a better user experience so they can see all the highlights and the site navigation. It will also help you identify the duplicate pages so you can improve your content better. Most importantly, it will speed up the search engine crawlers and increase the visibility of your online store to your potential customers and your customers on the internet. Before we get started, I want to welcome back all my subscribers. I appreciate your support a lot. But for those who are brand new to the channel, my name is Bully. I create tutorials about e-commerce web designs using WordPress and WooCommerce. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and turn on that bell notification so you won't miss any future uploads about web designs from me. Again, if you find this video helpful somehow, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate your support a lot. Thank you so much. I also encourage you guys to visit my website to check out my web design consulting services, and I also have a private group on Discord server. It's always free to join. I add all the links in the description box below for you guys to check out. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Let's go to the demo store, go to plugins and click the add new button. We are going to install a free plugin that is called WP Sitemap Page. Enter that in the search box. That's the plugin that we're gonna install. It's called WP Sitemap by Tony. Click install now and then activate the plugin. It should redirect you back to the plugins page. Scroll down a little bit to find the plugin and enable the auto update feature so it will update the plugin for you automatically. It's already enabled in this case because I installed this plugin before for my previous tutorial. Let's click on the settings. These are the plugin settings. Scroll down a little bit. We will leave the general settings checkbox unchecked. We will leave that box up there, how to display the post as it is, but we gonna scroll down here for a little bit. Right here we need to check the items that we need to exclude from the sitemap page. Make sure you check archive, author, landing pages, my templates, mail poet page, my library, and you need to check the email templates. We don't want people to see your email templates. mostly we want people to see only a clickable link of the list of your pages and product pages. Make sure to exclude all the taxonomies down there, like product categories, product tags, product shipping classes. Basically, just don't check the boxes for page, post, and products. As for the password protected option below, if you have a page with a password to access it, you need to check the box. Otherwise, just leave it unchecked. Because we want our sitemap to look neat and clean and easy to navigate, to provide your site visitors a better user experience. Make sure you check my library too. That's for your media library. You don't want people to see all the links of your pictures or icons. Your sitemap page will look messy, and all the taxonomies that we add, the product categories or product tags, there are so many of them. We don't want to list them on our sitemap page because it's gonna be too much. You don't want that. That's a bad user experience. Once everything looks good, just click Save Changes. Just scroll up a little bit, go to the top right to copy the short code. Make sure you copy WP_sitemap_page in the open bracket. We are going to create a new page. Let's go to Pages. Click the Add New button on the top. Add the title right here as sitemap. And then paste the short code that we just copied earlier right here and add a closing bracket. Click the Publish button on the top right. The sitemap page is published now. Let's get out of here. And let's check again. Oh, it's right here. Quick edit just to make sure that the select tag is site-map, because we're gonna need that select tag. To open the page on a new tab or browser to see how the page is going to look like, and type /site-map and press enter. Here's the page. First, it lists pages, clickable list of all the pages right up there, and the second section, it displays all the product pages, and everything looks clean and good so far. Let's click the Contact Us. Let's see if it's gonna work. Yep, it is working. And that's pretty much it for an easy setup of a sitemap. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment below what you guys think about adding a sitemaps for a better user experience to your WooCommerce store. I would love to hear from you guys a lot. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and turn on that bell notification so you won't miss any future uploads about web designs from me. If you guys find this video helpful somehow, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate your support a lot. Thank you so much. And also, thank you for being here to watch my video. I appreciate your support a lot. All right, you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.